Woo! I don't call it the Tundra for nothing. Get that block heater boiling. Batteries are charged. Kind of warmish. All right, negative 24. Is the old pig gonna start? That's interesting. That alarm has never worked before. Okay. Almost. Oh, that's not a good sign, huh? Oh, that's not good. Stop it. Well, that's a new one, huh? Never had a runaway starter. What do we do about this? So that's spinning. Here's what I suspect. There's a solenoid that moves in here, and I bet that it's just so cold that that thing won't move at all. So I got an idea.
One eternity later. We've got to step this up.
Okay, I gave it a couple hours. Is she gonna cooperate? It's still negative 20, started right up. Best $500 I've ever spent.